Salut! In this short tutorial, we will learn French numbers and how to pronounce them. Numbers are everywhere, and you will need them to discuss prices, tell the time, count objects, understand dates, and share your phone number and address. Let me read the numbers from 1 to 100. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Now let's start with the basics, the numbers from 1 to 20. These are essential as they form the foundation for building bigger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once you've mastered from 1 to 20, the rest becomes much easier. French numbers from 21 to 69 follow a regular pattern. Let's see the numbers 21 to 29. 21. So here we link them. 21. 21. 22. 23. 24. And so on. Let's see 30, 40, 50, and 60. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. Each of these is followed by the numbers from 1 to 9 to complete the full range. For instance, if we want to say 34, we say 34, 42, 42, 51, 51, and 65, 65, 69, 69. From 70 onwards, things get a bit tricky. For 70, we say 70, 71, 72, and so on up to 79. For 80, we say 80, 81, 82, 83, and so on. For numbers 90 to 99, 90, 91, 92, 93, and so on. And we say 100, 100. Now let's play a game to practice. Say the numbers that appear on the screen. 21, 21. So here we link the numbers. 37, 37. 52. Don't mix up here. This is 5 and this is 50. 5, 50. And this one is 15, 15. What about this one? 68, 68. This one is quite tricky. 89, 94. 94. Thank you guys for watching this lesson. I've created a free guide for beginners which you can download. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more French learning content. Merci et à bientôt!